Welcome to the 4WH Maple Bottom Mount Wood Hamper installation video. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a pencil, a rubber mallet, an awl, tape measure, tape, and scissors. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a maple wood box with attached door mount brackets, a frame slide assembly, a hamper basket with removable lid, bloom triggers, number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws, number 8 by 3/4 inch panhead screws, and an instruction sheet with template. First, measure the cabinet opening and mark the center line. Place the template inside the cabinet. You can either fold it or cut it if necessary. Align the template with your center line. For an overlay door, place the template at the outside edge of the cabinet. For an inset door, set the template back the thickness of the cabinet door. Since we have an overlay door, we will secure the template to the outside edge of the cabinet. Locate the 4 black solid dots on the template. Use an awl and mallet to mark the screw locations. Now remove the template. Next, pre-drill the holes using a 3/32 inch drill bit. Place the frame slide assembly inside the cabinet. Align the holes with the holes in the cabinet floor. Attach using the 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch panhead screws. Pull the slides forward for better access to the back holes. Now turn the wood box upside down. Place the bloom triggers to the front and side walls of the box. Align to the pre-drilled holes. Secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. For overlay doors, such as ours, loosen the screws enough to remove the door brackets. Swap the brackets and retighten. The brackets will now extend beyond the width of the wood hamper box. For inset doors, leave the door brackets just as they are shipped. Place the wood box onto the frame slide assembly and push back until the unit engages with the slide. You should hear a click when it locks. Attaching the door requires a few basic calculations. Step 1. Measure the cabinet opening height. Measure the door height. Find the height difference and divide that number by 2. Step 2. Measure from the frame up to the bottom bracket slot. Measure from the frame up to the top bracket slot. If your door is larger than the cabinet opening, add the divided difference you found in Step 1 to the measurements in Step 2. If your door is smaller than the cabinet opening, subtract the divided difference you found in Step 1 to the measurements in Step 2. Transfer those dimensions to the door and pre-drill with your 3/32 inch drill bit. Be careful not to drill through the cabinet door. Loosely attach the door to the brackets using the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Horizontally center the door in the cabinet. Other door adjustments can be made by loosening the screws on the side of the brackets. Finish tightening the screws with your number 2 Phillips bit or screwdriver. Place the hamper basket in the wood box. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.